Hey, good morning everybody. We are out here in Neptune Beach, very close to the ocean, which is right over here. So this home has had some drainage issues. One of the issues is the fact that the driveway actually tapers a bit towards the house. So when we get heavy rains, we were getting water right up to the garage door. And what we did here is we incorporated a track drain. And in particular, we used a 4-inch track drain. This is an easier drain to live with than the smaller 2-inch that you typically see used at a pool, because the grills can be easily removed and there's enough space to clean this out. In this case, it's also got a stainless steel cover and it allows you to drive vehicles over it, so you don't have to worry about vehicular weight on this one. This drain is put in relatively easily. You just have to cut out for the pavers and essentially excavate out, and you can fit these into any existing driveway. You don't have to do this at the initial construction phase. It's connected to the downspouts on either side of me here, and then that water is taken down to a drain here, and you would think that it would go that way. It actually goes to the front of the house. So it runs a long, long way all the way out to the front of the house. So we're actually in the very back right here in the garage. In addition to the drainage work that you're seeing out here today, we did do landscaping, I believe about 3 years ago out here. And as you can see, it's filling in nicely. We've got some very sturdy, salt-tolerant plantings. So we've got palmetto down here, and we particularly used silver palmetto, so it's a slightly different green color. It's more of in the blue range. We've got hibiscus, which ironically is very salt-tolerant. We're using some matchstick bromeliads down low, and they are blooming this time of year. There's some kunti, which was existing, and the azalea was existing, but we've added the shell to give it a beachy look. And over on this side, we've got a tie-in of additional palmettos, and we added a few crotons as well. And then lastly, we've got a couple sea grapes that we added in the pockets along this wall. And those were to replace a couple of palms that he had prior to us coming originally. So they failed with the cold. The sea grapes, a little bit more cold hardy than the palms were. Our client has an outdoor shower, and then he has a dog that he takes often to the beach. So he cleans up the dog, and the shower is here, and the water that runs off of those two items, the hose bib and the shower, gets collected in this drain, and this gathers into the pipe from the other drain, and it goes out to the front door. So it's a simple idea. You're capturing the water where you need to. You're not trying to do anything super flashy with it, but it serves a purpose. And had a really great test this last weekend. He had no issues, and he's very happy with the outcome. We were able to do this on a very modest budget. So if you do have a drainage issue, if you find yourself finding that you have water coming at, say, a garage door or the back of your house, a track drain might be a great solution. So thank you for stopping in. The birds are not here. They heard there's a cold front coming next week, and I believe they're heading to South Florida. Thanks for stopping in.